Welcome to Who's Tea TV. Whether you're here to boost your versatility, explore new side hustles, or just find a bit of inspiration, you've come to the right place. From Accountability Mondays to Healthy Tea Wednesdays and Flavorful Fridays, I offer tips, tutorials, and deep dives to help you stay versatile. I take big ideas and break them down into easy, actionable steps that you can start utilizing right away. This channel is for hustlers, creatives, and go-getters who want to elevate their game in life, business, and beyond. Versatility isn't just a skill, it's essential. My friends call me T. I have years of experience being a versatile individual. I've worked in the medical field, driven by a deep love for family and community. I'm also passionate about gardening, soap making, and having meaningful conversations. My question to you is, are you ready to grow, connect, and create? Join our community if you are a creative and ambitious thinker. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's learn and grow together with weekly tips, insights, and strategies to keep you ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in to Who's Tea TV.